My name is Ken Rashuhi.
Away from politics now, and an alarming number of people in Kenya may be taking drugs that don't contain vital ingredients required to fight diseases like HIV. The shocking revelations by the Ministry of Health indicate that the Kenyan market is flooded with counterfeit ARVs and falsified HIV test kits. While this has yet again exposed huge holes in the global safety nets intended to protect patients from substandard and falsified drugs, its implications on HIV response and gains made in combating the disease is crucial, as experts raise the red flag over the disturbing developments. Gloria Milimu reports.
Kenya, just like many countries in the world, is confronted with a growing burden of substandard and falsified medicines that continue to expose patients to the risk of ineffective treatments and potentially fatal side effects. In its analysis, the Pharmacy and Poisons Board established that some HIV drugs were among some of the products that contained incorrect quality of key ingredients, also known as active pharmaceutical ingredients, or were falsified altogether.
Starting with Truvada. What is Truvada used for? Truvada is for HIV. So you can imagine if someone goes to the extent of falsifying HIV medicine.
While the revelation may indicate that Kenya has strong safety systems for people living with HIV, like Kelvin Njoroge and the public at large, the discovery raises questions regarding how many unsuspecting patients may have been harmed by these drugs, and also the integrity of self-HIV tests conducted in the country, and who profited from their importation.
We depend on these drugs. This is a life-saving drug. And having a fake drug in the market, that leaves us at a very high risk. That means a virus suppression might not be working.
That means all the steps that we've made towards making HIV, eliminating HIV, are lost. We are going to start having new infections among adolescents and young people.
A huge percentage of falsified medicines, according to the Pharmacy and Poisons Board, originate from imports that account for over 60% of Kenya's biopharmaceutical products.
We produce less than 30% locally. So you can see that our biggest risk is the products that come in.
In what is deemed as a move to strengthen regulatory oversight, the Ministry of Health says it has now banned parallel importation of medicines and other health commodities in order to ensure public safety. Experts in the sector, on the other hand, see investing in the biopharmaceutical value chain ecosystem in the country is a long-term solution to such challenges.
We need to improve our research capacity. And research in any market that is developed in terms of biopharmaceuticals is largely funded by government through grants.
Approximately 1.3 million Kenyans are on life-saving antiretroviral therapy. In order to ensure they don't develop drug resistance and experience treatment failure or potentially fatal side effects, sealing the huge holes in the global safety nets intended to protect patients from such falsified drugs are among expert recommendations. Gloria Milimu, KTN.
Moving on, 5